estate?
So I'm feeling pretty good. I think I'm fine. My name's Ricky. I day trade.
No, he's not. He's not at all. He's freaking out.
A little bit.
Kind of quiet, please. We're about to have a powerhouse come on. All right, so everyone, we're about to do a little Q&A panel with a good friend of mine that lives out here in Arizona, actually, and this is someone you're going to want to make sure that you take notes from. A lot of you guys will definitely know who he is once he gets up here, but like I just said, we're going to do a Q&A style. He's going to get into his story a bit, show you how he got started with everything he's doing now. But yeah, his name is Ricky Gutierrez, and I'm super pumped up. He's the founder of Tech Buds. He's done a lot in the stock market, but his journey as an entrepreneur is really unlike any others, and I'm super excited to have him up here. So everyone give a hand and round of applause for Ricky Gutierrez. Some people that may not know who Ricky is, I'd love for you to just kind of give them an update about who you are and what you're currently working on, just to bring them up to speed.
So my name is Ricky, I day trade. Alright, so I'm 23 years old. I'm mainly known for investing in the stock market. So I run the largest YouTube channel and private trading community for those who invest in the stock market. We have a little bit over 160,000 members within our private Facebook group and a little bit over 360,000 subscribers.
Amazing. So how old are you, by the way, for everyone that doesn't know?
I'm 23 years old.
23. I want to kind of get into it because I know we've met a couple times now. We're getting to know each other more and more. But I know when we talked recently a couple days ago at your house, like your story is super unique. And I want to kind of get into just what kind of led you to getting in the stock market, trying to be an entrepreneur, trying to make money. Where did you begin? Someone that grew up, like what was your family like, and how were you originally got into this whole space?
Yeah, so I was raised by my dad. They're both immigrants from Mexico, and the thing that I think was like really interesting was like my mom was an amazing stay-at-home mom, right? My dad, being an immigrant, started his Mexican, right? Came with his brothers and started this like general contracting business, laid down tile, and I just remember every weekend. It was me and my cousin Rossio. We'd have to go, and this was like in elementary school. I would have to go and work with him and like just hand him towels at like 4 in the morning. And he would remind me every single visit that like, if you don't want to do this for the rest of your life, then you need to go to school. And I think a lot of people can relate when it comes down to having If I want to continue to grow my YouTube channel to be the largest within my niche, then I need to make sure that my actions, speak for that. So
I love it. Everyone give it up for Ricky Gutierrez.